All right, welcome guys. Nate here for KVR Audio. Let's take a look at some of the ways that KVR Studio Manager can help you manage your files locally on your machine. Let's take a look at the duplicate detection first. Let's run a scan quickly. We'll scan for all new and updated plugins. Right, so there's been no changes to my plugin list, but if we look down at the bottom, there's 11 errors found during the scan. I'm aware of the first 10, which are these Steinberg plugins that do not scan correctly. They are shipped with the audio interface that I use. But then there's this one here, which I intentionally placed there just to have a duplicate in my VST3 plugin directory. And it has told me that there is a duplicate file within my plugins. This is the initial one that was found, and then you can see there's an error. Plugin adapter metric AB with version 1.4.1 was also found in this directory, VST3/metric, and there's an additional copy of it in there. So we'll just right click over here. You could show the duplicate or the original one that was found. We'll go with this one here, and it's going to open up this copy that was made within this metric folder. I can go and just remove that one to make sure that there are no duplicates now in my account. Now you can also access the plugin files directly from the plugin window here as well. Now for the most part I would recommend that you use an uninstaller if you have them available. Not everybody provides installers with their plugins. Sometimes they are just VST files within the VST directory and you need to actually delete the DLLs to do so. It can be a little bit daunting when you have multiple folders and tons of plugins. So it's really easy to come in here and decide what you want to remove from your system and do it directly from this plugin manager. I'm just looking at my list here and I can see I have Whirly V2 and Whirly V3 installed here. Now Arturia does provide uninstallers, which I would use usually, but let's say I want to just remove the Whirly V2 DLL. I can just click Show in Explorer. It'll automatically select the Whirly V2 VST3 and I can just remove that from my system. We can scan plugins again now, and we now have an update here saying that one plugin was removed, and we can also see that we have no errors now regarding any duplicates on the system at all. Right, so that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more tutorials on some of the things that you can do with KVR Studio Manager. See you in the next one. Cheers.